In this tutorial, we'll cover 3 methods for setting the position of SVG graphics. Method 1. Adding a reference point in drawing software. In this example, we use Inkscape. After setting the dimensions and artboard of your graphic, move the graphic to a fixed position, such as 50, 50 coordinates. Next, draw a smold in the top left corner of the canvas. Set the dot size to 0.1 by 0.1 millimeters. Then, set the coordinates of this dot to 0, 0 mm. This is your reference point. Finally, save the file locally. After that, open the UUNA software and load the vector file in SVG mode or table mode. Click Write to start the drawing process. Due to the extremely small size of the reference point, it will not be drawn on the canvas. Method 2. In table mode, go to the Add section and click on the SVG button to import the original file. Please make sure not to import the file with the reference point added in Method 1. Next, go to Settings, find the Coordinate System option, and check the Table Coordinate System lock position, then Save. Click the red crosshair to select the graphic. Hold down the left mouse button to freely move the graphic. You will see the coordinates of the starting point displayed on the top and left sides of the screen. You can adjust the position as needed, and then click Write to start the drawing process. In the next software update, we will introduce a feature that allows you to directly set the file's coordinate axis. Method 3. In SVG mode, click on File in the top left corner and open your original file. As with Method 2, please do not import the file with the reference point from Method 1. Hold down the right mouse button to freely move the graphic to the desired position. This method may not be as precise as the previous 2 methods, and please ensure the graphic does not exceed the X and Y axis boundaries, as this could damage the machine. You can also click and drag with the left mouse button to select the part of the graphic you want to draw. The selected area will be highlighted in red. If you click Right, the system will draw the selected part of the graphic. If you accidentally click in the wrong area, you can press the Update button to return the graphic to its original position.